Answer me when I'm talking to ya. Answer me when I'm talking to ya. Q&A ho, 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 Q&A ho.
If aliens abducted you and installed an implant
that gave you the power to teleport,
but it also allowed them to monitor all your thoughts and experiences,
essentially making you a spy for them.
What would you do upon your return to Earth?
What does Billie Buck do?
oh, so many things.
Let me dig into this question a little bit more.
I could go anywhere, but they would be watching.
This has already been happening, man. There's already people with implants in them. That dude from that documentary, they had the implant analyzed, and it had every metal found on the Earth in it, and some metals that we don't even know what they are.
I've seen UFOs multiple times. I'm from northern Michigan, man.
I'd probably masturbate with like some peanut butter.
I gotta go to Washington, D.C. and just like see how much shit I can fuck up. I'm going to the White House. I'm going to Congress.
Anywhere I ever wanted to go. Thailand, Paris, Australia.
Like, oh, I'm your spy? Well, you're getting peanut butter masturbation.
Nothing too lowbrow. The ocean?
I would probably be a supervillain.
Go boogie boarding.
I'd be robbing banks. I'd be trying to amass as much power as I possibly could.
Maybe to like get into the cheese factory and see that real good old cheese.
I wouldn't be like a supervillain that hurts anybody. I'd be more like a Scrooge McDuck.
So I can just teleport like into Donald Trump's bathroom. I just want to surprise him in there, and then like my first impression of him in person streamed directly to the cloud.
I'd teleport to the White House and I'd spy on Trump and I'd get him to come and put it up his butt.
Teleport myself into an enchilada, just get like all rolled up. Sprinkle some cheese on top.
I would probably assume I'm crazy. It's all, a hallucination.
I'm just happy to have the power to teleport. They can watch whatever they want.
I would just take advantage of the teleport shit.
Yeah, me too.
For sure. Yeah. Thank you, aliens.
Teleport me to the cheese factory.
Answer me when I'm talking to ya.